Oh man. All right, guys. Well, pretty much not happy right now. I just watched an NFL game, Atlanta Falcons, because I'm a Atlanta Falcons fans and a Cowboys fan. And well, let's just say the game was pretty much disappointing. But hey, Gable! What, Teddy? What? Okay, first of all, sucker, how did you get in here? Oh, I was sitting right here. Ah,
All right, me and you have a question, okay, bro?
you can hear.
Right now, I was right next to him too.
Oh,
All right, I'm gonna ask a math question.
okay.
What's 9 plus 10?
Is it 21?
You stupid.
You okay? First of all, you stupid. Okay, you actually stupid.
I don't know my math yet.
You stupid.
You know what? I'm gonna punish you. Okay? I have a game called Baldi's Basic for you.
Oh God, it's a kids game.
Yep, I'm pretty sure it's a kids game. So yeah, have fun.
For goodness sakes. Hello, guys. It's me, Gable here. Welcome back. Sorry, my nose is a little bit runny. To another video. So today, I have a game coming up. I don't know. It's been a long time. I'm sorry I haven't been posting in a while, guys. Oh God, I'm sorry. Oh God. Yo, I'm sorry you had to see that. Okay, hold up. Let me blow it out. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. Okay, but we're playing a game called Baldi's Basics. First of all, I've never heard of it in my life. I have no idea what the heck this game is. But although I looked it up and it seems to be a pretty popular game. Yeah, it looks pretty popular. So, first time playing it. Also, if you're wondering why the camera is fitting right here in the desk, it's because I have my phone. Yes, I have a phone, if you know, because you may have watched a short. I got it from the phone with the Handel Saw channel, which I didn't even see my views was like 570. Like, dang. Yeah, but I'm recording my phone here with my tablet right here for the gameplay. So yes, I'm just like my sister doing it like in that style. So, um, yeah, hope you all having a good day. I'll come back with y'all when I'm putting up the game. Okay, y'all. I'm just opening the game right now, so I might, take a while. I haven't played it. Like I said, I haven't played it. I've seen it all over the internet. It looks like an education game. My dude, Swag Puppy, when I find you, we're gonna have a little speak, because I'm not a kid. Doesn't look like. Well, I am a kid still, technically. But I'm like 16 years old. Yeah, look at my beard, bro. Like, when I'm looking at it, I look like a hairy caveman right now. Holy crap. Alright, I'll be back again. The game's still not opening. Okay, y'all, I'm about to unpause for this video. Okay. Just play this, I guess. Wait, what? Warning. In case you haven't figured it out yet, this game is intended to be a horror game.
Bruh.
What? As such as it has loud noises, flashing images, okay, and is overall pretty spoopy. Well, at least it's supposed to be. If you downloaded this thinking it would be great educational for your kids or something, don't let them play it unless of course they enjoy horror games. You have been warned. Okay, I'm gonna turn this up again. What do you mean a horror game?
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
Bruh! What am I playing? How to play? Blah 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 blah. Blah. Oh wait, story. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know what the heck that says. It says weird name. Oh nuns. School is out, but your friend has a problem. He left all his booze. Note it's supposed to be books, probably in school.
Bruh.
Oh my god. But doesn't have time to go get them, because if he does he'll be late for eating practice. What? Is this do not eat? How's he alive? To help him out, you have to go back in the school and find all 7 of his notebooks for him. It won't be easy though. Baldi loves challenging his students with fun traveling problems. Okay, great. Whatever he can, each time you find a notebook, you'll have to answer some questions. Oh no. Answer all these correct, and you will earn a prize and find all 7 notebooks, and then exit the school to win. Alright, spacebar to look behind you, wave goodbye to your friends. Bro, what the? I'm just gonna put it like right here. Alright. Start. Hold on, y'all.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
What the Yo, what am I playing? Yo! Oh god, my game's lagging pretty bad. We should be... Hold on. Yo. There you go. Yo, what am I playing? Yo, screw this! I'm going to the hallway.
I don't
Yo.
think so.
Yo. I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of creepy. Oh, hey, notebook.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Just type the correct answer into the empty box. Press the Enter key on your keyboard when you think you have the right answer. Problem 1. 3 minus 3 equals...
What am I playing? Yo! What am I playing? Okay, 3, -3. I don't know. Hold up. I'm cheesing this game.
Bro, are you serious? You're cheating? That's a kid's game. You're not supposed to cheat. Oh!
I don't care. I don't. I'm pretty sure I know the answer though. Isn't it like -3? I'm pretty sure it's like -3. Bro, what the? Hey, go away. I'm trying to play. Enter here. Let's see. Oh, it's 0. Alright, but that was easy.
You're doing
Oh!
fantastic.
8 negative
Problem 2.
minus 0. It's not negative. It's minus.
Minus 0 equals...
Well, that's 8.
Great job.
Ooh.
Problem
7 plus 3. Okay, so I think it's 10. Because right. Okay, so this is 7. This is 7, y'all. We put 3, we get 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. It's 10. It's like a.
You're doing fantastic.
What's my name?
Dude, why does his lip look like that? I'm stuck.
Just click on it with the left mouse button to pick it up. Then, when you find something you can use it on, right-click on the object with the corner selected. That's how you use items, you know.
Why are you giving random kids coins, dude?
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
You're just repeating.
Answer the 3
Okay, wait.
questions
7 plus 7. I
correctly.
don't know this question.
You
Okay,
might
wait.
get something
We have
special.
7 right
Just
here.
type the
We
correct
had 7
answer
again. We
into
get
the empty
8.
box. Press the Enter key on your keyboard
11.
when you think
Hold on,
you
I never
have the
put out
right
a-
answer.
Okay, so we get
Problem 1.
7. 7. We get 8, 9,
equals
10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, it's 14, right? Is it 14?
Got it. Problem 2.
6 plus 6.
6 plus 6
Okay,
equals
6. So 6 plus 6 would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it's 12. So this one.
Good one.
What is this?
Stupid boy doesn't know what he do. What is that? Oh, I thought this was a kid's game. Oh, you just keep going, okay.
question. I get angrier for every map. Every problem you get wrong. Admit it, man. The frick? Is he gonna smack me? Oh heck! No. What? What?
1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4. Wow. Let's play. Let's play again.
What am I playing? Yo, what have you done to me? Yo, he's gonna smack me with the ruler. Whoa! Bro, he's smacking it. I have no idea where he is. Wait. I don't hear him.
Let's play.
Where the fuck did you come from? How did you even get over here? Yo, I'm watching over there.
4. Wow. Let's play. Let's play again.
Let's not play again, you creep.
No.
Yo, what am I playing? Okay. 4. Okay, 5 plus 5. Wait, isn't that 10? 5 plus 5. That's, bro. You think I'm stupid? I'm not. What? I'm just no. It's, you know what? It's going to be. Wait, where is mine? It's all up. Oh, negative 500. I hear every door you open. What? Oh, I'm staying in here. Yo, why is there a phone? 25 cents? I'm not wasting my 25 cents in there. Oh! What's this? Did I just get a chocolate bar? Yo, hold up. Yo, Sensei's over there. Okay. Why do you use mouse? Yo, where is he? I don't know where he is. I think he's over there. I'm just gonna run. Energy flavored zesty bar? What? Yo, that's a principal, dude. Yo, what am I playing? 0. You think I'm stupid? 2 minus 5. Okay, so this is 2. We take away 5. Take away 5 with it. We'll have 1, 2, 0, negative 1. Hold up. 1, 0, negative 1, negative. Is it negative 3? I think it's negative 3, y'all. Oh my god, I'm so smart. I just got a notification for a YouTuber. Okay. I don't know. I'm just gonna blah 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 blah.
Bruh.
Okay, I know you hear every door I open. Yo, where is he? Yo, he's smacking that ruler. Yo. I don't know what the sodas does. Wait, I have infinite stamina, dude. 3 take away 7. Alright. So 3 take away 7 would be 2, 1, 0. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, is it negative 4? I think it's negative 4, y'all. Oh my god. 6 take away 8? What is that? Oh my god. I don't even need a tablet now. I'm like, screw it now. Okay. 6 take away 8 would make 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1. Oh, it's negative 2. Bro, I got it. Okay, I'm just gonna put a 1. I get angrier for every problem you get wrong. Okay, I get it. I'm sorry. Yo.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
What is that? What is this? What? Exit. Gotta sweep. Oh my god, he's getting close. Dude, I'm so confused. I have no idea what the heck I'm playing. Ugh. What the frick is that thing? That's a broom. I think I'm stuck. Woo! Baldi boy! Is that your name? Back up. Oh, it's creep. Dude, he is angry. What happens if I locked it. Yo, I locked the door. Yo, he's gonna whip me. He's about to smack me in the... I have no idea where he's going. Okay, what's in this hallway? Baldi. Excuse me. Oh, heck no. Wait. I want to use one of these. Yo, he is smacking that ruler crazy. I went in that room. Wait. We didn't go in that hallway, though. Oh. So it, like, pushes him?
Give me something great.
What?
Thanks for the generous donation.
He just took my food! There's another one. Okay. 9. Oh, that's 11. Okay, you think I'm stupid? Okay. 2 plus 3 is just 5. Dude, I have to answer. Do you have to? They do this on purpose. So you have to, like, answer this one, like, wrong. I don't hear him. Oh gosh. I think we could bait him. He says he. No, I'm not your type. I'm not.
Let's play. Go. 1, 2,
Oh.
3, 4. Wow. Let's play.
Does he know where I am? No, he doesn't know. No. No, he does not know where I am. He has no idea where I am. I drooped him. Where's the last notebook? No, we can't open the door. We can't. Why is it sound like he's getting close? Ollie?
Looks like it's sweeping time.
I ain't going over there. No! Jack, why?
Ready, go. 1, 2,
Dude, I'm so scared.
4. Wow, that's great. Let's play again. Sometime soon.
Sometime soon? Yo, sounds so close. No. What is that? I have no idea where he's at, yo. I am not going over there. That's a fact. No, but he sounds like he's over there now. What is even going on? I don't want to go into the faculty dudes. Okay. Sounds like he's more over there. So I'm just gonna. Okay, you know what? Let's get our stamina first. What the heck is this school? Oh, he's coming up. Oh, he's over there. That was just straight up useless, wasn't it? Yo, who the heck is whistling? Okay. No. 7, 8, 9. 6, -5. Well, that's 1, right? Because like, okay, we have 6. Take away 5, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's 1. We have to answer this one. Oh goodness, what's gonna happen?
Congratulations! You found all 7
Bruh.
notebooks. Now
What
all
the
you
frick
need to
is
do is
Where the frick did he come from? Bro, I got wrecked! Bro, Ev, what had it? And the bully took my soda!
welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
Nah, this dude's a psychopath. Nah.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Nah, this dude's a Q-tip.
Now it's time for everybody's
Okay, 5
favorite
take away 2.
subject, math.
1, 2,
Answer the
3, 4,
questions
5.
correctly,
Wait, no,
and
that's
you
not
will
right.
get
1,
something special.
1,
Just type
0,
the correct answer
negative
into the empty box.
-3.
Press the enter key on your keyboard
I
when you
almost
think you
goofed up.
You got it. Great job. That's right. I can't believe it. You're incredible.
Wow, I exist.
You did great. Come here and get your prize.
A shiny quarter. Shut the frick up. You
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
Push the left mouse button to pick it up.
You're a psychopath.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject.
Okay.
Math.
0.
Answer the
Oh, that's
three
-5.
questions correctly, and you might get. You got it. Problem 2. 8 minus 8
7,
equals
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah,
Great job.
I ain't hearing that weird crap. Okay, seriously, he gets angry, dude, and you make him mad, he's gonna smack you. Yeah, look at him. He's gonna smack me already. Okay, last time I won that one. No. Oh, who is he? So he has to be like the principal. Okay, I want to get that yellow. What is that? That's a sock puppet, dude. It's a sock puppet, but why? Okay, we're gonna go to get this. Oh my god, he's already close already. Jesus. Okay, we want to use the quarter on a soda, so that thing's useful. I don't want to run because I don't want to like waste my stamina. Does this like actually regenerate my stamina? All right, y'all. We got 1, 0, 3, 4. I got rid of that again. Okay, so we have 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -5 from now on. 5 plus 4. Add 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give me 9. So yeah, I think they do. Do they do this on purpose? I'm just choosing a 0 every time because I feel like one of these times like 0 is gonna be the right answer. Okay, so now we know that he gets. Oh god, he's already in the hallway. No, he went in the classroom now. Why? No, I see her. Wherever, if it's a her, I don't even know if it's a her. I'm just gonna call it an it. And why is my game lagging like crap? Holy crap. Okay, 6 plus 7. We got 6 right here. We have 7. We have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 13, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, so good. Baldi, this is too easy. You can't even defeat me, bro. You can't. Oh god. Dude, I have to run for it. I don't want to play with you!
1, 2,
Yo, he's getting close.
3, 4.
No!
15 seconds.
I did nothing.
Detention for you. When will you learn?
Yo, how's math going for you, bro?
What?
Oh my god! Oh! I did nothing!
I'm gonna beat you up when I see you. Okay, we need to go to the cafeteria, dude. We need. Okay, 7. Oh my god, dude. Wait, no, that's 1. I actually didn't know if that was 1. I just guessed it. It was 1. Okay, wait. We got 2, right? Okay, let's not run. I am not gonna talk to you. You were a big old fudge. Is he right next to me? Oh, heck no. Use it. Let's right click. He taught me. Baldi! I am not gonna play with you.
No running in the hall.
Bro! How are you gonna...
30 seconds. Detention for you.
I'm about to get my booty spanked. I ain't getting that booty spanked. You can't. Wait, where the frick? Now. I ain't getting my booty spanked. I'm doing this one more time, and I'm done with this game. Yeah, shut the frick up. I'm not a trucker.
Now it's time for everybody's fave. I can't believe it.
I never really incredible.
You're
Even my trucker.
You did great. Come here and get your prize.
Shut the frick up. How about that?
Now it's time for everybody's favorite, some good one.
It's time for my nightmare.
1 minus 3 equals. Great job.
I did 78. I just did 78 by accident. Okay, but if we take that. Okay, actually, last time we did. Okay, like the last time we did good. We had like all 7 of them. And then who messed us up? The bully did. Where is he? I don't even see him. Oh my god, this crackhead. I actually hate this crackhead right now.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wow.
Oh!
Go away. You ain't spanking my booty. Dude. Okay, wait. There was a soda machine, right? Right here? Yeah. Principal. I don't want to play with you. Go away. Go away.
No running in the
Right
hall.
I'm gonna smack you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No!
15 seconds. Detention for you. You should know better.
I hate you. I hate you too. Okay, I want to at least run away from Baldi. Wait. I don't even know who he is. Oh no. Oh my god, this stupid crackhead. Where the frick is Baldi?
2, 3, 4. Wow.
Go away.
Let's play again.
I don't want to play with you. Okay, wait. I saw another notebook in there, but we need it. I want to go in there. I want to go in here. I want to get this. And do we take the... Actually, do we take that? The candy bar? Actually, well, the candy bar is... Oh, wait, where's my yellow lock? Wait, where is it? No.
Right now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi, just playing with this frick.
Let's play again.
Yeah, I ain't playing with you again. Hey, wait. This is where we were. Oh my god, dude, I'm stuck. Okay. Alright. Isn't that 7? Sucker! Oh, 3. That's 3. And that's... Freaking pterodactyl over here. Oh, snap! I'm sorry, y'all. Hold up. I'll fix it. Oh, for frick's sakes. No, go away. Oh my god. Wait, it listened? Oh, hi, Baldi! Hello, sir. Not running, I'm not running. See? I'm just normal.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
Bro, he's freaking me out. Okay, wait. We could go in here. We could get this one done. Okay, that's 10. I almost put a 9. I almost put 19. Okay, that's 1. Dude, I'm actually getting smart now. Holy crap. I'm not really good at math problems. Like, I don't know, I'm not really good at it. I'm actually being good. Yo, where is he? Okay. I saw that little crackhead over there. Okay. I think there's another one in here, and then we got the one with the long hallways. And then, okay, the good news is we got at least 2 of the sodas for now until that freaking bully comes out. Okay, so there's one of, okay, wait, okay, I'm actually realizing, like, okay, it said, okay, there was like 4 exits, right? Oh. Not in there. Where am I going? Oh god. Oh god, she's gonna be around this corner, isn't she? It sounds like a girl, so I'm gonna pronounce it as a girl. He doesn't know where I am, y'all. He doesn't know. Hello. Yeah, I'm quite scared. Let me fix my mouse real quick. Oh, I hear him. Okay, so we're gonna go to that room with the lock. Swear to God, where is he? And then if we could get a red lock or the yellow lock, it says. Yo, where is he? For real, I'm like freaking out. Running for it. Okay, just walk normal. Get in here. That dang. Okay. I'm just. Let me fix y'all real quick. I'm so sorry, y'all. I really am. Oh my god. Dude, I was stuck. Where the heck even is he? He over there? I don't know where the heck he is, dude. I'm freaking out. Alright. Okay. Yo! This is the last notebook? Okay. Let's do, okay, use your break brain. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, yo. Okay. We gotta move forward.
Congratulations, you found
I'm a goober! No!
Now all you need to do is...
Why are you here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hurry, get out. Get out of my way.
Let's play. Let's play again.
I don't want to play with you again.
Sometimes
Such a close. Okay. You want to... What? Too risky. Yo, I'm scared. What the frick? I'm not... Okay. What do I do? Get the frick away from me, dude. What is going on? Nah. I'm done. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm done playing this game. I'm done playing this game ever again, dude. I'm done. I'm telling you, this dude's scaring me, bro. He's scaring me.